always have higher intention for your fasting. See, the parasites and microbes in your body are more powerful than your mental intentions, than your sankalpa. But if you make your sankalpa as Shiva sankalpa, for example, if you do intermittent fasting for the sake of health, I challenge you will fail. I have seen enough people trying and failing. Because the parasites sitting inside your stomach, the kind of the visualization they release when the hunger chemicals are activated in the body, the kind of the visual picture about the food items they release in your brain, you just forget all your intermittent fasting. You simply eat only after you finish eating, you start repenting. Oh God, I drank high sugar juices and my constipation started. This parasites and microbes sitting inside your stomach, the kind of the visualization they release inside your brain and break your sankalpa, your resolution, and forcibly make you eat. You will come back to your sense only after you eat. So these intermittent fasting ideas do not work. Make your sankalpa into Shiva sankalpa by making the fasting as vrata. See, you are feeling connection with Paramashiva. It will have many layers of your emotions associated with it. The intensity of your relationship with Paramashiva, it will have love, it will have little even fear, it will have some kind of a devotion, begging, prayer, greed, fear. So many, almost all emotions mixed together. Use the strength of your relationship with Paramashiva for empowering your sankalpa. That is what is called Mama Sankalpam Shiva Sankalpamastu. Making my sankalpa into Shiva sankalpa. Use your relationship with Paramashiva to strengthen your conscious resolution. That is what is making your sankalpa into Shiva sankalpa. Only if you bring the religious commitment, your relationship with God, Paramashiva, into your sankalpa of fasting or diet control, you will have the strength not to get disturbed, shaken, failed, collapsed by the parasites and microbes sitting inside you, sitting inside your biomemory. Understand? When the sex hormones are high in your body, how the parasites and microbes sitting in your body releases intense visualizations and forces you to act out. Same way, when the hunger related chemicals are rushing inside your body, the parasites and microbes releases intense visualization about the food and eating. Actually, when the hunger comes, you even smell idli and chutney. You literally smell, not just see. And if you try to take a nap, in the dream you will be eating. And simply your resolution breaks. Without the cementing, reinforcing, RCCing of the religious experience, your strength of your relationship with God, Paramashiva, you will never succeed in things related to your food, sex, and obsessive compulsive behaviors. It can be fear related or phobic related issues. All these three: food, sex, phobias. In all these three, you need to use the strength of your relationship with God, Paramashiva, to make your Sankalpa into Shiva Sankalpa to get out of the problems created by the parasites and microbes sitting inside you. Hunger is not just a play of some chemicals and hormones. When those chemicals are released in your body, it triggers the parasites and microbes sitting inside your body, which has a multiple powers and capacities to destabilize you by attacking you physically, emotionally, mentally, psychologically, in multi-level. Sometimes you even start hating yourself for not able to eat what you want and do fasting. Why should I even live if I can't eat what I want? Hey, you should not eat to live the way you want. You are asked to maintain the diet to have a healthy, long life. But you think a healthy diet and lifestyle is kind of a punishment, and you feel, better to die early by eating whatever we want than to keep this diet and fasting and living a healthy, long life. What is the use? Even if I live healthy, long life without eating all this. What an extreme life negative ideas and thoughts encouraged, released, empowered by the parasites and microbes sitting inside you. Just see. I tell you, use your relationship with God to cement, bolster, empower your Sankalpa into Shiva Sankalpa, Mama Sankalpa into Shiva Sankalpa.